Good morning, students. Now today we will start arithmetic mean in the continuous series. So three methods again we are going to use. First method we are going to use direct method, continuous series in which the class interval is given and the frequencies are given to us. Now first of all, the first step in the continuous series is convert these class intervals into the mid value. How we can calculate the mid value? Mid value is equals to L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So this is your L1, this is L2, L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So 0 plus 10, 10 upon 2. So mid value is 5. Then 10 plus 20, 30, 30 divided by 2, 15. So in this way, this is your mid value. 45, 55 and 65. Now, what is the formula of the direct method? Summation fx upon summation f. Now here instead of x we will use m. The m means mid value. Now we are going to use this mid value. Now rest of the process is same. Again direct method is, so that means we are going to multiply f into m. 5 into 5, 25. 12 into 15, 180. 15 into 25, 375. 25 into 35, 875. 8 into 45, 360. 3 into 55, 165. And 2 into 65, 130. Now we want the total of these values, and this value will be known as summation fm, and the total of the frequency will be summation f. So the total of the frequency is 70 and the total of all these values is 2110. That means x is given to you, frequencies are given to us in the question. Now first of all we have to find out the mid value, L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So in this way we are getting the mid value. After that fx, instead of fx, f into m, f into mid value. 5 into 5, 25. 12 into 15, 180. 15 into 25, 375. In this way you have to multiply, and the total of fm is summation fm. Now we have to put the values in this formula. Summation fm 2110, summation f 70. 2110 upon 70. So your answer is 30.1. This is the mean by calculating it direct method. Continuous series, first of all direct method, your first step is convert the class interval into the mid value. Then your second step, multiply the mid value with the frequencies. After that, add all the f and m, 2110, total of all the frequencies, put the values in the formula. Now the same question we are going to solve with shortcut method. Now the same question we are solving with the shortcut method. X is given to us in the question and frequencies are given. Now the first step, again you have to convert the class interval into the mid value. Mid value L1 plus L2 upon 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 equals to 15. In this way we will get the mid values. Now in the shortcut method what we do, after calculating the mid value, now your second step, assume one number from the mid value. In discrete series what we did, we assume the number from the x. Now x is converted into the mid value, so now we have to assume the number from the mid value. So 35 I have assumed over here as a mid value. So now 5 minus 35, 15 minus 35, 25 minus 35. In this way we have to do. 5 minus 35 minus 30, 15 minus 35 minus 20, 25 minus 35 minus 10, 35 minus 35 0, 45 minus 35 10, 55 minus 35 20, and 65 minus 35 30. Okay. Now what is our formula? A plus summation f dx upon summation f. So dx we have calculated. This is your dx. Now according to the formula we need to calculate, we have to multiply dx with the frequency. So here is your frequency, this is your dx. So f multiplied by dx. 5 into minus 30, 12 into minus 20. In this way we have to do. Now first of all, 5 into minus 30, minus 150, 12 into minus 20, minus 240, 15 into minus 10, minus 150, 25 into 0, 0, 8 into 10, 80, 3 into 20, 60, 2 into 30, 60. Now minus values you add it, then plus values add them separately, and after that minus value and plus value, after calculating it we got minus 340, minus 340. Now in this way we have done. X was given, frequency was given. First of all, class interval was converted into mid value by L1 plus L2 divided by 2. After that mid value, because now no X is there, so from the mid value we have to assume any one number. Now I have assumed 35. Now multiply. Now from this assumed value we have to get dx. Dx means x minus a, or maybe mid value minus a. So 5 minus 35, 15 minus 35, 25 minus 35, 35 minus 35, 45 minus 35, 10, 55 minus 35, 20, 65 minus 35, 30. In this way we have calculated dx. Now in the formula we want f into dx. So this is your dx and this one is f. So f into dx, 5 into minus 30, 150, 12 into minus 20, 240, 15 into minus 10, 150, 25 into 0, 0, 8 into 10, 80, 3 into 20, 60, and 2 into 30, 60. So by this we got the total minus 340. Now this minus 340 is your summation f dx. Summation f is there, summation f dx is here. Now we have to put the values in the formula. What a we have assumed? 35. Here we have assumed a as a 35. 35 plus summation f dx value is minus 340 upon summation f is 70. So by solving we will get the answer 4.86. Your answer is 30.1. So in this way we have done the numerical of the continuous series by shortcut method. Your first step, convert the class interval into mid value. Second step, from the mid value assume any one number. Third step, calculate dx by deducting mid value from the assumed number. Fourth step, multiply frequency with dx. Here are the steps. First one, convert the class interval into mid value. Second step, assume from the mid value, from any mid value assume any one number. Second, dx, that means mid value should be deducted by the assumed number. And fourth step, frequency will be multiplied by dx. So after that you will put the values in the formula. Now the same question we will solve with the step division method. X is given, frequencies are given to us. And what is the formula of the step division method? A plus summation f dx dash divided by summation f into c, that is common factor. So your first step should be calculate mid value from the class interval. From the class interval, that means L1 plus L2 divided by 2. First we will get the mid value. Second step, from the mid value now we have to assume any one number. After that mid value minus a karenge, so you will get dx. After that in the formula dx dash is there, so that means from dx one common factor we have to choose. One common factor from the dx series only. Now that number should be that means whole series of the dx should be divided by that common factor. After that your fifth step, frequency should be multiplied with dx dash, so you will get summation f into dx dash. So the same procedure we are going to follow over here. First of all, x is given, f is given, so mid value 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. Next step, from the mid value assume any one number. So this is our A. So now we will get dx. So how we will get dx? 5 minus 35 minus 30, 15 minus 35 minus 20, 25 minus 35 minus 10, 35 minus 35 0, 45 minus 35 10, 55 minus 35 20 and 65 minus 35 30. Now your next step, convert this dx into dx dash. How we can convert? Now you have to take one number by which you have to divide the whole series. So I am taking 10 as my common factor. Now 30 divided by 10 minus 3, 20 divided by 10 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now your last step is frequency should be multiplied with dx dash. This is your dx dash, this one is your frequency. Now multiply f into dx dash. 5 into 3, 5 into minus 3, minus 15, 12 into 2, minus 24, 15 into minus 1, minus 15, 25 into 0, 0, 8 into 1, 8, 3 into 2, 6 and 2 into 3, 6. Now we want the total, and that total will be your summation f dx dash. So the total is minus 34. Now we have to put the values. A, what we have assumed, 35. Summation f dx dash is 34 minus 34 upon frequency total is 70 and common factor 10. So your answer is 30.14. Now you can see, first of all, x was given, frequency was given. First step, we calculated the mid value, L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So we got the mid value. Second step, from the mid value we assume any one number. And third step, we deducted all these numbers from this assumed number. 5 minus 35 minus 30. 15 minus 35 minus 20. In this way we calculate dx. Now after that this dx to be converted into dx dash. So for converting dx dash, that means we have to find any one common factor by which these all numbers will be divided. So 10 we assumed as a common factor. So 30 divided by 10 minus 3, minus 20 divided by 10 minus 2. In this way we got these values. After that, frequency multiplied by dx. 5 into minus 3 minus 15, 12 into minus 2 minus 24, 15 into minus 1 minus 15. In this way we calculated, so we got summation f dx dash minus 34. Now we put the values in the formula. A 35 we assumed, summation f dx dash 34 minus and summation f 70, and the common factor is 10. So we put the values in this way, and by calculating we got the mean 30.14.